Hello friends, here I am again with another video in the CRM module, which is a lead generation. How to generate a leads, if the leads is automatically generated by the CRM systems, and how we can convert in it, what are the opportunities, or if you are new customers, a salesperson meeting a new customers, have a meeting with them, so how you can create a lead. So we're gonna see in this video how we can generate a new lead. So let me take you directly to the Flectra database. So here I'm again with the Flectra database. I'm just click on Fastly CRM modules. So as we can see over here, which is a dashboard of the CRM systems, and it is my pipeline, but I'm just remove on it. I'm just changing the view of this, a grid view. So as you can see, the number of the leads are already default over here, and the activities and the sales team, the sales persons and the company and the information of the customers is all already over here. But here we need to see how we can generate a new lead. So I'm just gonna click on the create the opportunity. What could be the opportunities that requires, let's say, the tables office. So tables for office, it's an opportunity. Expected revenue, I can write it down. The expected revenue, let's say it would be a $500. We have the customers. You can need to create a new customers because it's a new lead. So that's why I'm just going on select a new customer, which is a John Smith. I'm just creating a new customers. The new customer is already selected. I'm gonna just fill up the quickly informations about the John Smith individual, which is a customers or company. So I'm just selecting the individual, which is United States. I'm gonna go select a state, which is a California. I can write it down. The rest, the email address would be the John Smith at gmail.com. So here I'm just selecting everything, the number informations that I provided. I'm just going to save over here. The email address I'm just writing down again is already there. The phone number, if I do have, I can select an expected closing. The prioritize, I can select a prioritize. The tag, let's say I'm just having the tag which is information. The salesperson, I can select the company, the Euro, but I'm just selecting the USA. So if I have an internal node, so let's say the first node. So I'm just selecting informations, which is if I have extra informations about the customers, I can write it down over here, which is the contact person name, the job positions, the description of the company or the individual of the customers. Yeah, there is also a specific language that I can select as well. So this is how we can create. Let's save it. So once I click save, it will directly create an opportunity about the new lead for the tables for the office. So this is how you can create the team informations, the leads. It will directly reflect on the pipeline. As you can see, the table for office, the opportunity is already created. Contact person name, email address. If I write it down, the phone number, the company, the salesperson, the sales team. If I schedule an activity, I can select an activity as well. As you can see, our new lead has been created over here. We can see on the dashboard. If I'm changing the view, we have the different views. As you can see, the tables John Smith over here. So if it's a new lead, if I can drag it down and drop to the another locations of the pipeline, I can drop it down over which is qualified. If the lead is qualified, I can drop it down over here, which is a proportional. And if the lead is converted in the closer section, I can close it over here, which is in the warm sections. So this is how you can create your new leads and how it reflects on that. If I'm taking back, if the lead is not converted into the final stage, I can make it to the back to the. So this is how you can convert a lead, a new generate a lead, and how the lead actually stand for. You can select on that way. We have the different views of the all the leads that we have already over here. As you can see in the calendar views, we have the this view, we have the bar views, and the informations over here. So this is how you can create and generate a new leads over here. Let's say if I'm just creating a new customer, the new lead John Smith, if I want to directly to go on the customers, and I'm just write it down, John Smith. So all the informations about that customers I can find out over here. So opportunities, how many opportunities are there, meetings if I have done it, if I have a generator sales, purchase, on-time deliveries, the invoices, the vendor bills. So all the informations about that customers, the lead, we can see from these sections. And you can edit all the taglines, the address type, you can edit down. If you have the customer as a text ID, you can write it down, the positions, the phone numbers, if the number of the salesperson, if you want to change it, you can change it or that. If you have a delivery methods, you can all the informations of the customers, you can change it over here, and you can find it over here, all the informations. So this is how you can generate a new lead, and how the leads gonna stand over here. You can find it out, and you can directly go on to the customers to find out the customers. Thanks for this video. For the next video,